An ordinary mom, a global business, a life transformer. Hi everyone, I'm Vicky, originally from the Philippines and now living in beautiful Como, Italy. I work as a travel sub-agent and run my own digital business. Before I started, I was completely burned out, commuting every day, working long hours, and still coming home to handle mom duties. I started searching for something different because I wanted to have more time, not just for my family, but for myself too. That's when I found a global digital business that showed me what's truly possible. I found mentorship, tools, and supportive community that helped me grow not just financially but personally too. Now, so much has changed. I now work from home, more time with my family, and I get to travel more. So, if you are looking for something new, something better, I invite you to check this out. This might be the opportunity you've been waiting for.